Hi everyone! Today on Cooking Up Love we are sharing our buttery lemon cookie recipe, and this kicks off our holiday cookies special where we're sharing 25 of our favorite holiday cookie recipes. We'll be posting recipes every day. Watch till the end for our special holiday gift to you. First up, our lemon butter cookie recipe. These are a lemony sugar crusted icebox cookie. They're one of my favorite soft butter cookies with a wonderful fresh lemon flavor. Here's everything you'll need to make them: butter, 2 egg yolks, sugar and flour, salt, lemon, and vanilla. I've listed the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below. In a large bowl, measure out 2 1/4 cups of flour. We'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt for this recipe, and I'm just going to give it a quick crush in my mortar and pestle. And this is so the salt grains are a little smaller, making them easier to distribute more evenly in the batter. Give this a whisk to combine and set it aside for later. Next, zest 1 large lemon. You're going to need about 2 teaspoons for this recipe. Then in another large bowl, add the 16 tablespoons of softened butter. Using a hand or a stand mixer, beat the butter for a minute or 2. Then add 1 cup of sugar and continue beating the mixture for about another minute and a half, stopping to scrape the sides of the bowl. And if you're looking for easy cookie recipes, we've got so many new flavors and favorites for you in our holiday cookies collection. From classic thumbprints and pinwheels and butter cookies to ginger snaps and meringues, we've got all kinds of icebox, rolled and dropped cookies. I can't wait to share all of them with you. Check below for links to more recipe videos and playlists. After about 2 minutes, the butter-sugar mixture will be light yellow and creamy. Add in 2 egg yolks, and you can save the whites for another recipe, like our meringues. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of lemon zest, and beat to blend. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and tip in about 1/3 of the flour mixture. Use medium speed to beat the flour, and then tip in another 1/3 of the flour. Beat it on medium again. Add the remaining flour mixture and blend. Scrape the sides of the bowl and then place the cookie dough on a piece of parchment paper and shape it into a log shape, about 1.5 inches wide. The dough for these lemon icebox cookies is very buttery and it'll be soft. Putting it in the refrigerator will make it firmer and easier to roll. Repeat for the second half of the dough and refrigerate for about 20 minutes. While the dough is chilling, combine 1/4 cup of sugar with the rest of the lemon zest and whisk it well to combine. After the dough is chilled for about 20 minutes, remove it from the refrigerator, and now that it's not quite so squishy, form it into a more round log. Sprinkle with the lemon sugar and use the parchment paper to roll and press the sugar into the sides of the dough. There's so many interesting and delicious icebox cookie recipes that have been passed down in families and shared with friends. I'd love to hear some of your favorites. Share them in the comments section below. Sprinkle the second log with the lemon sugar and then return the dough to the refrigerator for another hour. Then preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Once it's up to temperature, take the icebox cookie dough out of the refrigerator and slice into 1-inch pieces. Space the cookies about 2 inches apart on the parchment-lined cookie sheets. And I like to sprinkle the tops of the cookies with the leftover lemon sugar. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in the 325-degree oven. Cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes and then transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. You'll find the recipe for these delicious lemon butter cookies below in such an easy icebox cookie recipe. And here's some other cookies that you'll find in our holiday collection. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've linked the playlist for all of our holiday cookies here. Remember, we're adding more every day. Watch all 25, share your favorites, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you so much for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.